Once upon a time there was a little cat in a planet far, far away. And being a very curious cat, it was out one day. And he looked out down this road, this green road, and saw a big giant cube coming its way. So being a curious cat, a very curious cat, decided to climb into a bubble and go into the cube and discover what this was all about. Now the cat had a companion, an owner, a female friend. And so the cat went and got the female friend, and they both decided to go see what the magic cube that was coming toward their planet was all about. Now this girl was a very special girl with her very special cat. And she was very special because she had these bubbles. And brought her love and intelligence. And so with her bubbles, her and her cat, both of her and all of her and her bubbles decided to go explore what this giant golden cube coming toward them was. So her and her cat, one day, all of them together decided to go down the green road and go find out what this golden cube that was coming toward them was all about. For both the cat and the girl were very, very curious. All of them together decided to go down the green road and go find out what this golden cube that was coming toward them was all about. For both the cat and the girl were very, very curious. So the cat and the girl, they went to the cube with their bubbles, and they split in two. And one was given a bowl of blue pills, and one was given a bowl of red pills. And the cat said, "Life is full of choices. We must decide which pill we're going to eat, the blue or the red pill." Well, the girl just couldn't decide. I don't know, which pill should I eat, which pill should I eat? The cat said, "I have no idea, but we must eat one." So she decided to split in two, and one eat the blue pill, and one eat the red pill. And when she ate the blue pill, she ended up here. Not very happy for the cat or her. It was not a good place. Kind of like where Mom and Dad are heading today. But that's another story altogether. And the one that ate the red pill, the girl who ate the red pill, ended up here and was quite happy, and the cat was quite happy. For it had a nice sailboat under a nice moon. And they lived happily ever after. So, which pill will you choose? The blue or the red? Life is full of tough choices. But that's life. The end.